Did you notice this pale blue dot? As early as Valentine's Day, February 14, 1990, thanks to Voyager 1, which had already traveled 6.4 billion kilometers away from Earth, and was about to venture toward the desolate edge of the solar system, meaning it could never return to Earth. To commemorate this monumental moment, NASA commanded Voyager 1 to turn around and face distant Earth in the solar system, capturing this magnificent photograph. And this tiny blue dot is the Earth we call home. Were it not for human existence, this speck of dust in the sunlight might never have drawn any attention. Meanwhile, its sibling, Voyager 2, was also traveling in another direction of the solar system, and remains operational to this day, as the greatest probes humanity has ever launched. Their journeys continue to redefine our understanding of the solar system, yet no one could have imagined. This probe, originally planned for just 2 years, has astonishingly operated for 40 years. What you might not know is, as early as its impending launch in 1977, NASA suddenly decided to have Voyager 2, after observing Jupiter and Saturn, continue toward Uranus and Neptune, ultimately heading toward the edge of the solar system. As a result, the subsequently launched Voyager 2 instead took the lead, and on August 20, 1977, it lifted off first from the Kennedy Space Center. As for Voyager 1, NASA intended it to observe Saturn and Jupiter at closer proximity. Then, on September 5, 1977, Voyager 1 successfully launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. In 1980, when Voyager 1 completed its observations of Saturn, it had nearly exhausted all its thruster energy, yet still couldn't resist Titan's immense gravity. It was flung prematurely out of the ecliptic plane, thus embarking on its journey out of the solar system. Kuiper Belt AIDELI. In 2012 and 2018, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 successively crossed the edge of the heliosphere and entered the cold, dark interstellar space. On November 28, 2017, NASA used the Deep Space Network to send a command to Voyager 1 to restart its thrusters, dormant for 37 years. Even a mere 10-millisecond response would prove the instruments were still functional. However, Voyager 1 was already too far away. It would take at least 39 hours for the signal to reach it and return to Earth. On November 29th, amid anxious anticipation, the team received Voyager 1's reply. 20,121, 25 to 27. Voyager 1's response arrived. After 37 years of dormancy, Voyager 1's thrusters, 21.1 billion kilometers away, were successfully reactivated. The control room erupted in applause, for everyone knew this was likely the final reserve of this interstellar messenger's energy. Meanwhile, both Voyager spacecraft carry a golden record each, which contains greetings in 55 human languages, musical selections, the location of our solar system, and a narrative of human civilization. By 2025, when their power is depleted, they will lose contact with Earth permanently. Their future trajectory remains unknown to us. They may enter another star system in hundreds of millions of years, or be intercepted by an alien civilization. By that time, though Earth may no longer exist, at least the golden records will testify that human civilization once thrived in this solar system.